So we all know AI can write code, but can it write a fully functional bug-free Minecraft Java mod? Today, the heavyweight champions of AI, Claude Fable 5, Gemini Flash 3.5, and ChatGPT 5.6 are going head-to-head, and their goal is to code a fully functional Minecraft mod that solves the biggest issue we all face: villager trading and picking up villagers and placing them in boats and all the below. So the mod has to be working, it has to be fully functional, and it has to be easy to install. I'm going to use MC Creator for the mod creation. So we will start with Gemini, and I already have the prompt ready that I will use for all AIs. Create a Minecraft mod for Minecraft 26.1.2 and works in NeoForge 26.1.2.71 mod loader. The mod should be whatever you want, so I'm giving them the liberty to do the mod, whatever they want, but I gave them the pain point, which is having villagers stay in a boat or cart, so maybe villager transport mod, where you can leash them or pick them up and set them down. Make sure the format is for MC Creator, which is this, and give me steps on how to add them and what type, etc. So let's see what Gemini does, and we will be back when he finishes. Gemini finished, and he gave us the item code. So in MC Creator, which is the thing that helps you build mods, etc., it makes it easier, basically. Let's follow the steps. Create a new class named villager and net item.java in your items package. So it's gonna be this, I think. Whoa. Let's make the item texture, let's make it the blaze rod, built in normal. Let's have it, yeah, that's it, save mod element. I think we have to go in package net MC creator, so I think we'll keep that. Just gonna do this, delete, go back up. We're gonna remove this, since it's net, this should be good. Let's save it. Lock the code for MC, yes. So I'm guessing locking the code, I've dabbled with it before. Locking the code means this MC creator can change the code on its own. Huh? I don't get it. By the way, I'm using Pro 3.1 extended thinking since it has better coding knowledge, basically. It should be done, actually. So if you press play, let's see if we'll get a successful build. I don't think we'll get one in the first try. Exactly. So let me just copy that real quick. Copy, let's see Gemini solve that. He gave us the code. Let's put it real quick here. Close and save. And let's build it again. Holy fuck. Same thing. Take it and have him save it. Have him work for it. The fuck is this? It's telling me what to fix. Let's see. This should be fixed now. Let's save it. Close and save. And run it again. It's not gonna work. I knew it. But at least this time the error log is smaller. I feel like I'm going on loops with the Gemini. I don't trust it anymore. And we've hit our limits. Fuck. I haven't been using it that much, honestly. Gemini, fuck you. I've lost all respect. Let's go to ChatGPT. Let me get the prompt. Copy prompt. ChatGPT. Let's see. ChatGPT finished. And they gave me a bunch of talk. So let's see. Villager carrier. MC creator build pack. Download the... Let's download the file. It's a zip file. What the fuck does it have in it? Anyway, element, villager harness, item, the reusable transport item, pickup villager, procedure, and recipe. Recipe, it's leather, leather, empty, leather, empty, okay. What's inside? The package includes, start with readme first, then follow files 1 through 6. Let's see what he gives us. Readme first. Open syntax. Let's go with the workspace setup. Fuck it, let's do a new one. New workspace, 26.1.2. Create new workspace. Sure, buddy. It's gonna take a second. Let's see the next step. Open workspace settings and confirm that the generator says. Okay, it already does. Import assets, branding, villager carrier icon as the mod logo. So it's done. Let's just move this here. It's telling me to open resources. ChatGPT is making this very confusing. It's giving me a file to do, etc. I just want it to be an item. So I'm just gonna say, so I asked ChatGPT to give it to me in a single Java file because the confusing thing wasn't working. So let's add element. It's gonna be item. What the fuck is the name of it? Villager harness. Create new item. It's gonna be all normal. Let's do the texture from our pack. Let's import texture. Wait 1 second. Copy, downloads, paste. So now if we import texture, we should see it in the downloads. Yeah, okay, perfect. Let's select that, all normal, save mod element, Then we will lock. Yes, sir. Open mod. And we should take this code directly to here. It should theoretically work. Let's save it quickly. And if we press play, let's see if it will build successfully as well. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna give it the same attempts as Gemini. And honestly, in the meantime, I'm just gonna make Fable 5 effort high. We might hit the limit with Fable 5. Let's see. I'm gonna make my Fable 5 also start doing the mod and see what he gives us, just to not waste time. And ChatGPT is giving us the code again. Let's see. Replace the entire content of villager then. Edit mod. Exit. Close and save. Issue again. Let's give it the issue again. So it gave us the solution. It's telling us change only this line from this to this. So let's find the line quickly. Open mod and editor. Okay, this is it. Let's change it to this. Like that. Okay. So the bottom code and Control S, code saved, build again. It's not gonna work. Until now, this is a good sign. It actually loaded. Let's set it to give me the item spawn code so I can get it on text. So until now, we're very good. It's working, and theoretically, it should show up as a mod. Single player game. Let's go create new world. So if we do give at S villager harness 1, it should give us the item. Perfect. Let me just render distance. I want to see if there's any villagers here. It'll be easier to test it. Wait a second. I think it's just easier to spawn villagers. Let's just see if the item works. Ooh, okay. And now if we go slash villagers, give me a spawn egg. If I do this, nothing. Even if I press shift. So I can see the item is working. I was able to get it, but if I press shift on them, nothing is happening. Even if I press left click nothing is happening. So I have to tell GPT that. So ChatGPT fixed the code. Let's see if it really did or not, or just broke everything. Delete, no, save. And let's go again inside Minecraft. We're back in game. Let's see. It's lagging a lot. Nope, nothing. Left click, right click. Let's see if I do this. Still nothing. I can hit them with it. It's registering that it should do something, because if it's not registering, I should be able to use it like a normal item. So I'm gonna explain this the last time to ChatGPT. Hopefully it'll solve it. The prompt is very easy again, just to fix it. Let's see if it'll register what happened. And ChatGPT gave us another code block to replace the original code block that replaced the original code block. Will this work? 342. Holy fuck. And wait, what happened? Man, it's not working. Even though we're using ChatGPT 5.6 Sol, so not even using a medium or anything. We're using it on high. I don't have intelligence access. Oh no, intelligence. We're using it on high and the latest model. So please give me something that works. Delete code, re-add code, save it. Exit, start, and build error. No build error. Okay. Come on, ChatGPT. Come on. Opening the game. Moment of truth. Will ChatGPT succeed? And so we can go to Claude and see if it's better than ChatGPT and Gemini, because Gemini just disappointing for the millionth time. Why do I even keep using it in the videos? And if you reach this point of the videos, make sure to subscribe. Just comment milk. I don't know. Villager picked up. Oh my god, wait. I genuinely picked it up. Oh, that's actually smart. Do they take fall damage if I fall down? Oh, they don't. Okay, that's nice. I should be able to drop them if I just sneak. Let's see if I can pick up this. What the fuck? I can fly around with it. It looks at the viewpoint of where I'm looking. Let's see if can I drop it here? I do this. Oh shit, I could drop it midair. Let's go up, sneak, and bye. Oh no. Can I pick up animals, or it's only villagers? No, it's only villagers. But at least it worked. ChatGPT at first gave us a lot of confusing things to do. Like they gave us a 0 start MC creator. But I would say you're already carrying a villager. Oh, okay. That's actually nice. So you can just pick them up, crouch, put them back again. And if you have a bench or something to work on, not to work on, like a calendar or whatever they detect as a job, they should detect it immediately. That's wow. ChatGPT, honestly, I would say very good. We faced some issues, but that's expected since I'm working on a lot of moving parts, especially in MC Creative. But other than that, it worked, and it's actually smooth. I didn't have any issues or performance issues with the mod. So now let's go to Claude and see what's up. So since I already didn't want to waste time, I told Claude, I gave Claude the same prompt and everything, and I'm just gonna create a new workspace. And it's not. What's the issue? If I remove this, make it like that. Okay, create new workspace. Same thing, it'll take a second. Let me just delete the old workspace. I'm gonna open the Java code in Visual so I can paste it inside villager valet.item. That's the name of it. You have to note that I told Claude to give me a texture for in-game, even though ChatGPT did it alone without me having to tell it to do that. I'm just gonna name it as well, villager valet. Mod item villager valet, create new item. The item texture has to be the one we downloaded. It should show in the downloads. Yes. Select all normal. Yeah, let's do this. Save mod element. We're gonna lock it again, so nothing changes. We're gonna open it in Java. Let's go to Visual Code. Take all this, delete, save 128 lines of code. And let's run and see what the issue will face is. So that's expected on the first try. Let's just give it to Claude and have it fix everything. Hopefully I won't cross the limit. So it's telling me that I had a name mismatch, which I expected because I named everything on its own. I didn't like ask it what should I name the project and the item, etc., which is very important in MC Creator. So let's save and let's run the mod again. So all these are wasting our time and wasting credits. Fable 5 are very expensive. So it's telling me this is the final approach. It should work now. I say lies, but let's see. Save it. Workspace. Start it again. Oh wait. No lies. Claude didn't lie. Let's just ask it to explain the mod just until Minecraft open, basically. Single player. So it's a lead stick. Everything else is empty. Let's go creative. Create new world. While carrying a villager, hold sneak, shift, and right click on the ground. The villager is placed at near. So it's close to what ChatGPT created. Let's just go to somewhere we can see. This should be good. Let's open the menu, go search item, villager, spawn egg. So I opened it in game, as we can see. I opened it in game, but as we can see, it doesn't work. Nothing happens if I press shift or not. So I told that to Gemini. Let's see if it can fix it. Good news, this bug tells a very clear story reaching my core. That's exactly why nothing happens. For the 1 millionth time again, let's go to mod element, remove everything, save, go back to workspace and open it. It should build successfully because we've already built it successfully before. Yep. So now we're just waiting to make the mod work. Single player, same world. Hopefully this will work. Please, Claude Fable 5, please, come on. Everyone is rooting for you. Nope, and... Okay, we got this error. Entity, all start riding, attempt failed for vehicle. So let's just print screen. Bruh. Print screen. Send it to Fable 5 and see what it tells us. Hopefully this works, because I think after this one, we won't have any more Claude Fable 5 credits. So that's fingers crossed, everyone, fingers crossed. We opened the game again. Let's see. Ooh, and he died. Why the fuck did he die? What? So when you carry the villager and just throw it back, it just fucking dies. I'm gonna tell that to Claude. I'm gonna see if I still have capacity to do that. I think what's happening is because of the tick rate. Since what the mod is, it's basically they're ticking on the player's head or something like that from what Claude explained. So this might be the issue, why they're dying right away or why they're taking damage when I throw them back on the ground. And Claude gave me the code again and I saved it. Hopefully this time villagers won't commit self-murder when I put them on my head. By the way, I don't know what the skin is. It's not mine. Let's go again and spawn some villagers. Let's shift. Nothing's happening to them. What happens if I drop? Perfect. Okay. from what I understood, also I can set them on like a boat. I can right click the boat and they just sit inside of it. So it's loading myself. So I'm guessing that part is broken, but at least the villager picking. How the fuck do I leave the boat? The villager pickup part works. Can I load 2 villagers? Ooh, okay. So as usual, Claude and ChatGPT did what they have to do, and it works. ChatGPT, I think, got it faster. I'll check later after the recording, basically. But yeah, those are the results. So if you enjoyed watching the video, make sure to like and subscribe. If you think or if you want to see any more weird ass experiments, mods, or whatever AI can do, please comment down below and I'll check them out. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.